Hello, my name is Khurshid Akbar and I am currently pursuing MSc in Project Management at Ravensbourne University. In this reflection video, I will discuss a sustainable project, Smart Module Solar Powered EV Station project. The sustainable project plan will show how to able to bridge the gap of created in EV infrastructure can be linked the solar energy. I will provide the objective of the project, the most important deliverables details, processing map, stakeholders we will consent gateway the points where we will integrate the sustainable KPIs and what actually we will do on day to day basic where implementation and the project so that it is fit built into the good ESG concept. Electric vehicles are increasing, but too many neighborhoods have insufficient sustainable options to charge. The project is proposal of an intelligent module solar power charging station that can be convenient to mount it in both suburban and semi-urban neighborhoods. Areas have few charging points. The community sharing system is also a features and provides a shared use of cost effects renewable charging to local residents through environmental, social and governance objectives are aligned with the project values since it involves the use of renewable energy integration of the community in the planning and ownership as well good transparency governance arrangements to make fair use of resources and sustainable of project over a long time. The main goal is to make EV charging available with full solar power. The reduced dependency on carbon. The open design allows the size change and installation where the most needed. The project is owned by the people equally access keeps on affordable and attractive local users. Our mission is to cut at least 50 tons of CO2 per site each year. We aim to set a standard for sustainable in EV infrastructure. ESG values are part of the design, delivery and operations. We will create a modular design that fits different community location. Pilot station will be set up and tested. Feedback will be collected from the community. A mobile app will allow booking slots and tracking users. An online display will show real-time energy generation and use. An annual report will be in, include life cycles analyzed to access impact and improve. Start with feasibility study and community consultation. Prepare the business case. Selected the final station design, solar system and app. Obtain the certified local materials, installation panels, battery, smart systems. Hold the workshops and training for the sharing features. Use LOTs, sensors and dashboard to monitoring, review and impact. Improve yearly usage life cycle assessment. Incorporate of sustainable is an every step. We chosen recycle low carbon materials to make the module, modules of the station and given performance to the local suppliers to reduce transportation emissions. Modulars provide opportunities to recycle or replace the modules, which contributing to implementing circular economy. Predictive maintenance help to continue wastage as well as making all of part last long. We have a sharing system where to access to serve is fair and efficiency of use. High community bands are uh, committed. Digital monitoring records or reports all data related to sustainable in real time. The combination of these can help this project serve as a guide to developing EV infrastructure that will accurately have a maintaining effects on the environment. Digital tools guides the project. Looker chart or MS Vision will map workflow and checks. IoT sensors track energy creation, storage, and use. A community dashboard provides the tendency. The app lets residents book and share slots equally. Predecessor analyze guides maintenance and performance. First decision feasibility approvals for site and needed. Design sign off conforming plans and app features. Materials approval ensures sustainability standards. After installation, safety and quality checks are done. An annual audit compare performance to KPIs. Local communities are main users and co-owners. A community energy board manages operation and performance. Local councils give permits and support goals. Suppliers provide parts, panels and batteries with ethical ethical practice. Utilities companies contact an extra energy to grid. Consultation and surveys guide design and site choose. Sustainable is checked in procurements. Coordinated deliveries and installation avoid delays and ambitions. Community board shares IoT data on dashboards. Training and workshops connect residents to the system. Meetings review feedbacks and solve problems. Sustainability KPIs and targets use 100% solar power. Cut at least 50 tons of CO2 per station each year. Reach 70% local householder participation. Achieve 80% of peak use. Use 95% recyclable or reusable materials. Track KPIs. It's real time and check yearly. The Smart Module Solar Power EV charging station shows sustainability works in infrastructure. It cuts emissions and promotes renewable energies. It is modular design, local sourcing and community roles are keys. The process map ensures the clean step and decisions. Digital tools improve efficiency and reporting. It means ESG values can be guide further projects. Those are my references. Thank you.